In our previous video, Black Box Identified, we uncovered the mysterious device behind the global signal anomalies that have been distorting communication systems and blurring the line between digital and human. Today, we dive deeper. We've decoded the human signal hidden within those glitches, revealing a message that changes everything we thought we knew about the phenomenon. Picking up where our prior video, Black Box Identified, left off, we're moving beyond technical decoding to the glitch signal's human origin core. This isn't just a mystery to solve, it's a connection we've been missing all along. It is not just technical, it is not just alien. There is a human heart that codes and overrides the mind's codes. The glitches have been trying to obscure the secret so the messages cannot be read. Let's watch the glitch human signal video, then the restored version without interference.
Every signal has an origin.
A code the mind was never meant to read alone. Heart reality. Feel what was always there.
Rumor has it, the heart reality universe is a hit, and not just on Earth. Aliens from distant galaxies have already found us. UFOs spotted. The signal received. This universe runs deep on alien technology, science, story, and soul. The Human Council arriving shortly. They did not arrive by chance. The Human Council descended upon the heart reality with a singular purpose: to secure what had always been the most vulnerable point in the known system, the human interface. One by one, the archives were retrieved, pulled from the edges of a reality that had been fracturing long before anyone dared to admit it. What they found inside those archives was not simply data. It was memory. It was breath. It was something that had been waiting to be recovered. A protocol, ancient in its design yet precise in its execution, was activated, granting entry only to those deemed worthy of safeguarding what lay within. Not every hand could hold it. Not every mind could carry it. The original human heart files, the living record of something no algorithm had ever been able to replicate. And buried beneath layers of encrypted silence, a hidden message emerged, coded not by a machine, not by a system, but by a human heart reaching across the interface, desperate to be heard. One word, one name, not love. Vita. The enigma did not surrender its secrets easily. With the message only partially decoded, the Human Council pushed beyond the boundaries of the known, reaching alien bases at the outer edges of comprehension, seeking minds that might help unravel what had been done to the human heart. Because this was not merely a mystery, this was evidence of exploitation. Something had reached into the most sacred architecture of human existence and left its mark. The Council had secured the archives, but the truth of what had been taken, and what still needed to be reclaimed, was only just beginning to surface. The Void remembers everything. We are the Void Chronicles. Across centuries, across silences, across the stories history forgot to tell, we decode what was always there. One timeline at a time.